G'day! Today I'm going to be making a few simple French cleat hangers. For instance, one for my grinder, maybe one for my jigsaw. So stick around and I'll show you how I make them. Let's go and make something. So this is just a little bit of ply left over from my last project. Was the drill holder. Cut the width of it and then I'll work out what length I want. Just probably be about 320 or something. It should be enough, and that's probably for the base. Yeah, I should have raised the blade just a fraction more, but it's alright, we got it. Just going to trim up one end, now nice and straight and square. The other end was already square. We've got a length of we'll go 100. I've got a bit of polycarbonate plastic here, and I'm going to use that to actually hang the drill on. It fits up in there, and we'll shape a little wee groove out of that on the bandsaw. Now if you can't get polycarb, you can use wood, it'll be strong enough, but it needs to be a fairly thin bit, and you might need to reinforce in behind here a little bit more. I'm just going to set my stop block up to 150. The difference between polycarb or polycarbonate and acrylic is on the end. Polycarb will give this blue tinge, and acrylic will stay clear. No, that's 150. 75 is our centre. 65. Okay, it's only rough, doesn't have to be exact. And then I'm just going to roughly put that on there, all around it, and that's what I'll cut out on the bandsaw. So I've drilled the holes. You've seen me drill holes before. I've just got using a deburr tool. Like so. Mark it. When that's on there, I want this kind of thing of putting just like a base on it as well to take some of the weight. 45 by 150. So what's needed now is the back cleat. I've cut down a fair bit of it because I'm going to expand somewhere once I get a few other walls up. So when I put this up onto the cleat, it reaches and rests down on the lower cleat. If you're putting it, say, on a bottom cleat, you realistically need to put another backing support on it. For the jigsaw holder, it's just going to be like a small shelf, and there'll be a hole, and that's where the blade will fit through. And then we'll put it's very simple, we'll put a cleat on it and a couple of supports.
Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.